Musa from the Netherlands.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
What is the rule in a divorce for visitation arrangements between the father and the child? Is it allowed for the father to enforce overnight stays through the courts in a non-Islamic country when the mother doesn't give permission for overnight stays? And who has the custody of the child that is only 1 year old? Jazakallahu khairan.
Wa jazakum. First of all, this is something that has to reach an agreement between the spouses. As for the father, he's the father. He has the rights of visitation. He has the rights of having his child stay overnight. But when the child is 1 year old, no, this is too much. He needs to be a little bit older in order to be taken care of without the presence of his mother. As for the Kafir court stating the rules of custody and the meetings and the likes, you have no other choice. If one of the spouses or the divorced couple insists on going to man-made laws that go against Islamic Sharia, he's committing a very, very major sin. Some scholars say he's exiting the fold of Islam for turning his back to Allah's law and insisting on taking man-made law. As in the case, for example, when a woman divorces her husband and insists on taking half of his property, half of his wealth, half of his business. The law is on her side. By doing this, she is throwing the law of Allah Azza wa Jal behind her back and not paying any attention, and rather preferring man-made law over Sharia, and this takes her out of the fold of Islam, even if she prays and goes for Hajj and fasts Ramadan. As mentioned in chapter 5, Surah Al-Ma'idah, in verse 44, 45, and 47. So this is a huge sin that people are unaware of that may take them out of the fold of Islam, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.